beers in, got me acting like a fool. Acting like a fool, acting like a fool. 2 beers in, got me acting like a fool. Acting like a fool, acting like a fool. 2 beers in, going for the win. Don't give me a third, I'll be John Lennon. I'm swimming in the...
I think I'm weeding out, man.
Hey, dude. Do you wanna, go get some beer? Thirsty. Cause I was thinking, like, if we get... Some beer would be good for the night. You know what I mean? Instead of going out and spending a bunch of money at the bar.
Yeah, it's actually not a bad idea. Besides, have you been feeling a little bit cold lately? Beer sounds good though. Get some of that.
Do this. I got what you're talking about, man. It's fucking kicking my ass right now. Can't fucking hurts, dude. Up to my sneeze. Fuck. What kind of beer do you want to get? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't feel too good. Maybe some... Yeah. Maybe some pale ale? I don't know, man. Pale ale, I just don't feel good. I heard light beer... I heard light beer is good for when you're sick. Let's go for light beer, dude. Do you like light beer? Shit! Light beer sound okay. What about that Pilsner stuff? Is that supposed to be good? I don't care, dude. I just want to get beer and make me feel better. I want... Ugh. Fucking, I hate getting sick, dude. Every time, it just fucking... Every time I... Fucking sneeze, it hurts. Let's just go. We'll figure it out when we get there, dude. I could go for some leisure.
Man. This fucking sucks, man. Why does shit always have to happen to me? You get sick and trying to go get beer and I'll fucking get sick. Yeah. I just want the little chubs. The little chubs.